Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to make a green screen for $10 or less. I swear to it. Okay, so behind my head you see Apex Legends. That is what I was playing earlier, and you can see my beautiful face. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move this guy and put him right here where I normally would be at. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the image as well. Actually, yeah, I'm just going to keep that there. Okay, so once you put your webcam up there, and if you want, leave it in the comments. I can do a webcam tutorial as well, but for now I'm not going to. So you put your webcam in, you go down to your mixer, find webcam, and then go to the settings, go up to filters, and then when you start this, when you open this up for the first time, you're not going to have any effects right here, so you need to hit plus and go to chroma key, and this is what it would look like once you first open it. And then you got all your settings and stuff. Once you get your backdrop down and all that good stuff, go ahead and turn the eyeball, or actually it would be on anyway, so it don't matter. You just go through your settings and mess with a little bit, like contrast, brightness, gamma. Okay, so the gamma is up, so now I'm gonna go ahead and explain the green screen itself. Let me just do this, a little bit of this. Okay, so back here I've got the green screen. It's a construction paper, actually. I got it from Dollar General for about $6, $1 a piece. There's 6 pieces back here. And then I got, what was it, like clear tape, here it is. Clear tape. What was it, like $2, $3, something like that. So all in all, it's about $10, give or take. So once you get that, there's 2 other things you need. You need lighting, A, and you need a decent camera, B. Okay, so my lighting is my windows. I've got the windows, and I've got my ceiling light. I don't know if it's sunrise or sunset, but one of the two. I get really good lighting over here, so it's like the perfect time of day to live stream and do stuff with the green screen. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and turn the chroma key back on, close this, and turn it back on. Okay, and full screen that mother. Okay, so yeah, I hope this helps you guys. I know I was trying to look for it when I made these things back here, and I couldn't really find anything like worth trying. Some guy said use sheets. I didn't really want to go and spend money on a sheet when I actually need sheets, so that's kind of don't make sense to me. But I bought those instead. $6 works for me. It's better than 20. Okay, so anyhow, with that being said, I hope it helps somebody, and if it does, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and have a beautiful day. Peace.